In the last episode, we looked at few tactics which can be used to hack back social media and digital gadgets. In this week, we will look at the strategy, as strategy is more important than the tactics we use. Let's explore. Tactics are focused on immediate benefit, and it looks for tools and processes that can give you immediate result. On the other hand, strategy is an action aimed at long-term benefit. It's big picture, and the most importantly, it answers why. Before we go into the strategy, let us try to understand few basic principles. The first one being, usage of social media and digital in moderation is actually good. They have its own benefits. If you use it for its benefits, then you are also going to see the positive results. The second principle is, more use of social media and digital gadgets, it means we are wasting our most valuable time that's meant for creating our own future. In a way, we become a thief of our own time. The more time you spend on social media, somebody else is making money. The usage, therefore, should be decided and depends on net benefit to you than others. So what is the best strategy we can use so that the net result is we get the benefit from these rather than we becoming slaves to the social media and digital gadgets? First step is to identify your top 3 social media and digital tools. You might already be aware of this. If not, just monitor your usage of social media and digital tools for the next 2 days and you will have your top 3 list. Now that you have your top 3 list, articulate why do you want to use this social media and digital tool. This will help you in finding out if they are giving you net benefit or robbing your future valuable time. Next step is to making a decision that for the next 30 days, you will not use those top 3 social media and digital tools. If you have some business urgency or some personal emergency, don't include them in this list. If not, include them and stop using them for the next 30 days. You are at a stage where you listed your top 3, you stopped using them for the next 30 days, and you also know why you wanted to use it in your life. With the current maturity, decide what you really want. If you still feel the particular social media or the digital tool is adding value to you, please retain. If not, remove it from your life. I learned this simple yet effective strategy from Cal Newport, who is the author of Digital Minimalism. I would recommend you to read his book. This is one of the most powerful strategy you can use for your life. Go ahead, try and see how much you save in your life. All the best. I'll meet you in the next episode.